Hey guys, it's TK here from Sephora Saddle Creek in Memphis, Tennessee. Today, you guys will be getting unready with me. I will be showing you my skincare routine for my combination and anti-aging. It's a must. I cleanse my face to maintain youthful looking skin. I'm going to use the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away Cleansing Balm with ECHINACEA GREENENVY. So I'm going to take about a quarter size amount, rub it across my face to break down the product really good, and then smear off that liquid matte lipstick. Next, you'll see me just hold a damp towel against my lips just to kind of break down that product a little before actually tugging and damaging my lips. And just so I can be gentle. This step I will do before I actually get in the shower. So as you can see, I'm going to continue removing the rest of it off of my face with the washcloth, and then I'll move on into removing my lashes. Now I'm just going to grab a cotton swab, dip it into the product, use it to gently rub away the mascara and break down the glue. Then I gently remove my lashes and add just a pea size more just to concentrate on my eye makeup. And then again, I'm just kind of holding the towel there just for a brief moment and wiping away gently. All right, so next is my favorite cleanser, which is the Youth to the People Superfood Antioxidant Cleanser. As you can see, I'm just gonna squirt 1 or 2 pumps in my hands, add a little water just to give it a good lather, and then apply it to my face. Doing little circular motions to break down any leftover makeup that I originally had. Then once again, I'm going to use the washcloth and then pat my skin to dry. Next up, I'm using Sunday Riley's Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. So now I'm just going to squeeze out a pump, rub it between my 2 ring fingers, basically tap it along my under eye just to target any fine lines. This is the BLT in the jar. Like, this brightens, lightens, and tightens my under eye area. Now I will be using my Sunday Riley's Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This is my heaven in a jar, saves my life. Like, literally looks like I have good genes that runs in my family. This product works really well for me because I have combination skin, I'm oilier in my T-zone, and drier around my mouth. So as you can see, I just kind of press the product into my skin just so it can sink in a little bit more. Now, I'm going to go in my Youth to the People Superfood Air Whip Hyaluronic Acid Moisture Cream. So depending on how my skin is feeling, sometimes I will use more of this product, but today I'm just going to use a little because I'm feeling pretty great right now. Whatever you use on your face, you definitely want to bring it down to your neck and apply in upwards motions. So next, I'm going to use my Fresh Sugar Cream Tinted Lip Treatment in the shade Pearl. I love this lip treatment because it's very hydrating and never sticky. And when I go to bed, I want to make sure I still have kissable lips. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the products that I used today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys soon.